4.
Di mo, konti yan ng chocolate mo, Sam. Bigay mo yung chocolate. Konti lang.
I want some chocolate. And look at my tooth, guys.
Tatanggal na yung mamaya. When you're sleeping. Tunaw naman ito eh. Tunaw? Oo.
See? Okay.
Dapat agad
Look at our ingredients. And this ingredient too. Let's check them. So this one is yellow food color. Mango flavor. Okay. So these two are we gonna wait. So I think we're gonna use these two for later. I think we're gonna use these two. That's mango and yellow food coloring.
Ayan, ganyan.
Whoa!
Wow, wag mo na i-move. Lagay mo na dyan.
I wanna see them. I wanna see them. Yan, see mo na. But I don't see them closer. Nakikita mo na. But I don't see them.
Ay, gati tayo na ganyan.
Ha?
Ganunin mo rin. Yan kasi naano na tuloy. Bakit tinidor? Kutsara.